How are you now?
Howdy.
That's Travis. I'm Kevin. And this is H&H Prospecting. Thanks for tuning in. If you've already subscribed, thanks for coming back. If you haven't yet, we hope you like what you see today and we're in that subscription. Today we will be announcing the winner of that gold panning kit with the pay dirt and the guaranteed gold, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won. We're back out on Mr. Casey's claim. They're a subscriber of ours, invited us to come back out again. We're really excited. They've been finding some nice big chunky gold out here, so we're back out here with our little 2-inch dredge setup, and hopefully we'll find some gold. A little bit of a weird morning though, forgot the camera, so we're doing this on the phone today, so hopefully that turns out all right. Yeah, want me to cover anything else before we go get set up? No? Alright, pitter patter, let's get at her. Alright, got all the equipment set up, letting our motor idle before we get going and moving rocks. Let's talk about the equipment if you haven't seen it already, and talk about where we're going to dredge and why we're going to dredge there. Alright, nothing too big, special fancy. 2-inch dredge nozzle, 2-inch hose, up to our hopper box. Same one we use for high bank and multi-sluice and everything. We do put a 1/4-inch screen in there to help break any clay or rocks. Gives me a chance to look, see if there's anything nice and shiny, any petrified wood, gems, crystals, such things. This goes down our Keen sluice box. We are running the Gold Hogs, 3 talons, 2 mother loads. Have us a little dampening mat in here from an old rubber sluice, or a old rubber mat from an old sluice box. Helps slow down the water flow once we get this thing ripping. Off your 2-inch dredge nozzle, there's a 1-inch high pressure line. We finally replaced that run flat hose, thanks Sam at Armadillo Mining. And that just runs up to our 2-inch Harbor Freight trash pump. And then down, of course, there is that 2-inch inline with filter on there to make sure we don't suck up no big gunk. And that's pretty much it. So, we're going to start moving some of these rocks out of the way. As you can kind of see, I'm right here in a nice little spillway coming through. And that is bedrock right there. Travis is actually standing on bedrock. So you see the bedrock starts falling into the creek. We got some big rocks that have been tumbled and pushed up along the side here. Some nice cracks right below my feet. And the bedrock just starts shooting down. So, we'll kick these big rocks out of our way, start following the bedrock down, and hopefully find some shiny. Back at the homestead now. Just got back from Casey's claim. Didn't turn up much gold there. I think my sluice box is blowing out gold. I think it's either running too fast, I got it at the wrong angle, maybe the gold hog mats are failing, I don't know. The only way to find out is to put another sluice underneath it and see if that second sluice catches anything. And I'm gonna highly suggest and ask Casey to go run his metal detector over my tailings, because both Travis and I are pretty certain that we saw nuggets go up that dredge nozzle today. This morning was kind of a little bit of a bummer. For one, forgot the camera, and we're still actually recording on the cell phone, so hopefully this turns out all right. But Star-Lord has gone missing. He has disappeared, decided to take his own adventure out of my truck somehow. So wherever he is, we miss you, Star-Lord. You're still with us in spirit, wherever you are, buddy. But hey, on to the good news. Like we said, we're doing that giveaway. So here's what we did. Make it easy for us. We took everybody's names that commented #GetShiny. We put them on the phone. We took from the phone and we dropped them in the randomizer. The randomizer spun everything around and it pulled out one name. So congratulations, Robert Lewis. You have won. Gold panning kit, some pay dirt with some guaranteed gold. We'll leave you a comment on your last comment on how to get a hold of us, and we'll go from there. So congratulations. Guys, we'll definitely do this again, obviously. We want to keep on going. We want more people to have more pay dirt. We want more people to have more gold. We want more people to go out and gold panning. So however we can help do that, that's what we're here to do. So again, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, we hope you like what you saw today. There should be a subscribe button like there, maybe there. I think there's like an icon somewhere too that tells you when we post. I'm not really sure. There's a like button, there's a thumbs up button. Hit that. If you hit the thumbs down button, tell me why. I mean, maybe I can do something better. I want to always be better for you. Anything else, production? All right, guys. So with that, as always, get that shiny.